Hi guys, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces, back here with another thrifty find for you that I'm ready to make over into something that would suit my home. Many of you ask me, how do I do it? How do I make my home my style that it is? Well, honestly, I do a lot of it by just some DIY elbow grease. And what I mean is, take this thing I found here. It's a fake pediment, meaning it was probably made in another country, shipped here and sold to us in the US, but you could definitely make this out of a 1x4 or some scrap wood. But I'm going to take what I found and make it my own. And if you take a look at it, it's got these little turkey stars on here and says nice place to live. Yeah, maybe you might want to put that over your doorway, but this is more country cute for me. I'd like a little more rustic, maybe antique vibe to it. So even has a hanger on the back here. You hang it on the wall, mount it over your door or fireplace, whatever you would like. And I'm going to take this, instead of looking the country cute, I want to have it have an antique style, and I'm going to do that in a few easy steps. Before I get to that, I invite you to sign up for my free email newsletter. You can sign up for as often as you like, as posts go live or bi-weekly or so on. How you would like to do that, all you have to do is sign up at the form up above on my blog or at the bottom of my blog as well, or if you'd rather me sign you up for you, you just email me at larissa@prodigalpieces.com and I'll get you hooked up. No strings attached, no information shared, just an email with information for you. All right, let's take this fun find here and make it our own. Well, there you have it. Much more suited to my decor. Not that the before was all that bad, but really didn't suit my style. You could have done any color, any kind of finish with this and totally made it part of your own home story. I hope you're inspired. I hope you like this little pediment redo. If you do, leave me some comment love down below. And don't forget to sign up for my free email newsletter. And you can also stop by my online shop where I have items available like this and much more, from furniture to handmade goods to vintage finds just for you. Stay tuned for the next fun prodigal piece. Until next time, bye!